പന്നികള് ആ ലോറിക്ക് വിചാരിച്ച് നടക്കും.
Even living in the city isn't enough to keep people safe from an angry elephant.
Okay.
Oh my God.
If you live near elephants and you've got a pool, don't be surprised if they decide to take a dip.
Seat belt pala eh. Pare. Oy, nang gawin. Ano? Taon na din ako kanda. Oh my God. Hari.
我操！他下边是。
When this giant wandered over to crash the tourist lunch, everyone wisely stayed calm. Unfortunately, they didn't make things much less stressful.
It looks cross. Ah! Oh my God!
So, pergi kita. Valeu.
Oh my God, that was close.
Với bố và cô vào rốt mà. Đồ nó nè, đồ nó.
พ่อไปเร็ว
Đừng đi mà.
พ่อเร็วพ่อไปเร็ว
For animals their size, elephants are surprisingly fast, reaching speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Luckily for this guy, not all of them do.
A little bit scary. Stay very still, eh?
He's eating a plastic water bottle.
This is exactly why you shouldn't feed animals on a safari. Once they start seeing tourist vehicles as rolling snack bars,
Yeah.
ไม่ทำอะไรหรอกดันรถอะแก้ว ถอยแก้วก็ถอยแก้วไปดิมันเอาเรื่องกันนะเป็นไรอ่ะมันจะกินของกินในรถน่ะเจ้าหน้าที่ก็ไม่มาทำไมเนี่ย
whatever they're paying this guy, it isn't enough.
Steady, my boy. Steady. Steady, my boy. Steady. 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 Stop. Steady, my boy. Steady. Steady. Hey! Stop! That's enough. That's enough.
I'd say hiring this guy was money well spent.
That's enough, my boy. That's enough. Steady. Steady.
Oh my god.
Oh Gott! Selber schuld. Habe ich gerade gesagt.
Genau. Ach, er fällt jetzt los.
And elephants grow until they're 50 years old.
Keep backing up.
Because he's in season, he's very temperamental.
Why don't you back?
No, I'm driving, you're looking. Yes!
When elephants start talking to each other, everyone hears it. Their calls can reach 108 decibels, about as loud as an ambulance siren.
This goes to Bob Saget.
All right, here we go. Good picture.
Hey, John.
This woman saw some wild elephants outside her shop and figured a little noise would scare them off. Instead, she got their attention.
Oh shit. Nah, no way.
I love my boy. I love my boy. Steady, steady. Whoa, step. Hey, stop. Steady, my boy. Steady, steady. Steady, my boy. Steady, it's me. Steady, my boy. Hey, steady. No, don't move, don't move. Hey. Stop, my boy. Stop, my boy. Steady, 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 steady. That's enough, my boy. Steady. That's enough. That's enough. Hey, stop. Hey. Steady, my boy, steady. Take it easy. Steady. No. Hey. No. Come on. That's enough. That's enough.
Some elephants haven't gotten bold enough to stage actual ambushes for safari buses. All that effort just for a few treats.
Классно. Не надо, не давай. Ух ты, все, он его драть будет сейчас. Он разозлится. Давай, мэм. Все, теперь он за нами будет, भाई तो उतना दे जलेबी है कि डांस प्रेस करना ढीला ये पकड़ा तो डांस प्रेस करना
I won't get too close. Uh-oh.
Getting this close to a herd is asking for trouble. All it takes is one elephant thinking the calves are in danger for the situation to get out of control.
Uh-oh. What? Uh-oh. Oh, reverse. Reverse. Faster, faster, faster. 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 Okay. Holy crap. Did you get that on video? Most of it. I don't know what I was doing.
কেমন লোক রে ভাই খালি করে তো পাশে খালি কর কেমন লোক রে গান তো লোড করে দিলে ভাই তোরা তোর
Cheetahs may be the fastest predators on Earth, but even they know when they've met someone they shouldn't mess with.
Oi, 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 oi.
मेरे को पकड़ के रखो भाई।
Based on how quickly this diver threw it into reverse, it's safe to say this isn't the first time it happens.
Wow. Holy shit.
At first, it looked like this elephant was just passing through. Then he spotted the bus, and suddenly, it became personal.
Hey! Hey! Stop that!
If you live somewhere elephants roam the streets, you'd better park your car in a spot they can't reach.
ഇല്ല ഇല്ല അതൊന്നും കുഴപ്പമില്ല ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കുഴപ്പമില്ല കുഴപ്പമില്ല അച്ഛ കുഴപ്പമില്ല നോ പ്രോബ്ലം
Silent, 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 silent. No attack.
और भी है आ गया
An elephant can't get mad unexpectedly, but there's usually a reason for it. This mother likely saw the tourists as a threat to her calf.
अरे कितने छोटा सा प्यारा सा बच्चा
चलो लेना पीछे लेना जरा अकेले भाई पीछे ले लो थोड़ा
Planned that? You were really?
No, but he's just, you see how he stopped though, if he wanted to, could have...
He just wants to scare us.
You want to scare us?
But still, just move the vehicle just to show respect.
Yes, yeah.
Because there is space, so. Don't want to take a chance on one of these things. This one is still right, he's still young.
Holy oh my god That's awesome. Here he comes.
He's coming, he's still coming.
Elephants don't spend hours in the water just because they enjoy swimming. Their bodies can heat up to nearly 50 Celsius, so cooling off is a must.
That's not funny, that's terrifying. Roll lossies, flip flop.
The tourists were so busy watching the elephant family that nobody, not even the guides, noticed the angry bull hiding in the bushes.
Oh, guys. Oh!
The lion may have the title of king of the savannah, but this elephant didn't get the memo. It's hard to believe something that big managed to squeeze inside so effortlessly. Even more impressive, he climbed back out without anyone's help. When you're out there, remember whose backyard you're in. Believe it or not, elephant safaris are often more dangerous than lion safaris. And this video will show you why.
Can someone help?
To help what?